Musculoskeletal injuries happen all the time, and it's important to know how to deal with them. In treating a sprain, the first thing that you do is immobilize the area. Next, follow the mnemonic of RICE. Rest, ice, compression, elevation. By doing this, you will help to alleviate the swelling and pain associated with the sprain. To treat a strain of a muscle, first immobilize the area. If it's your arm, do it in the place that was most comfortable, the place that was injured in, and immediately ice the place that was afflicted. When you have a cramp, massage the area, and this one doesn't matter so much about keeping it still. It's important to ice the area after you've massaged it well, and then afterwards it might be necessary to drink an electrolyte supplement such as Gatorade or Powerade. If you suspect a dislocation, immobilize, ice, and elevate the afflicted area, the whole limb. It might be necessary to treat for shock, which just means putting a blanket over them, providing them with warmth and comfort. And you need to seek medical attention. If the person has a break or a fracture, you need to immediately immobilize the entire injured area. And without moving the injured area, remove all the clothing around it and any jewelry that might be blocking the area. Clean and cover any open wounds that you see and any blood that might be coming out. Gently apply the proper splint and apply elevation with a cold compress as well. It's very important that you seek medical care for a break of any kind because it won't set right if you don't take medical attention.